Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. Hope you are all enjoying my videos since many days. And previously we discussed about since from many days linear equations of single variable, nothing but simple equations or linear equations of one variable. So first degree equation in one variable is called simple equations. So those who did not watch it, please, my dear friends, once you go through the previous videos of simple equations which are in the regular syllabus of Telangana and AP state syllabus along with the IIT Foundation and also Olympiads. Now let us discuss one more problem. It's very interesting and very important for even though for 8th, 9th and 10th students. Okay. So if minus 2 is a solution of 1 by 3 kx is equal to 5x plus of minus 2 whole square, find the value of the expression k square minus 11k plus 17 whole power 2020. So here a condition is given. Let us proceed our problem. So our given equation is this one. Let us consider let 1 by 3 kx is equal to 5x minus 5x plus of minus 2 the whole square. Mark as equation 1. So what is given for this equation? Minus 2 is the root or solution. So minus 2 is a root of 1. Okay. So minus 2 is the root of first equation. This implies what I can write now? Since every root will satisfy its own equation. So 1 by 3 k of, since the variable is x here, so substituting in the place of x minus 2 is equal to 5 into minus 2 and this is here it is plus 4 minus 2 whole square. Now I can write it as this one minus 2k by 3 is equal to minus 10 plus 4. Gives you what here? Minus 2k by 3 which is nothing but here it is minus 6. To get the k value, it is a linear equation one variable. To get the k value, operation is multiplication, implies k is equal to minus 6 into 3 by minus 2. Since the operation is multiplication, transposing to other side it becomes reciprocal. So minus minus get cancelled to once and to thrice. So k is equal to 9. But what is our intention? We have to find out the value of this expression is our intention of this problem. So therefore k square minus 11k plus 17 whole power 2020. We had to find out the value of this expression. Already we got the k value as 9. So 9 square minus 11 into 9 plus 17 whole power 2020. So 9 square gives you 81. 81 minus 99 plus 17 whole power 2020. So 81 plus 17 gives you 98. 98 minus 99 whole power 2020 gives you minus 1 whole power 2020. So already we discussed in the primary level 7th or 8th standard, since here minus 1 whole power 2020, the exponent is 2020 is an even number. So always we'll get a positive number, that is nothing but here it is plus 1. Okay. So therefore k square minus 11k plus 17 whole power 2020 is equal to 1 is the value of this expression. So 1 is nothing but in the set of rational numbers or real numbers it will act as a multiplicative identity, nothing but unity also. So in this way we can proceed our problem. Let us go through the steps once again here. Since minus 2 is the solution of the given equation, we know that every equation will satisfy its own equation. Substituting here minus 2 in the place of x our variable, we are going to get the value of k. But our intention is to get the value of this expression. So k square maths lo n k plus 17 whole power 2020. Substituting the value of k is equal to 9 in the given expression. Here we are going to get the value as 1, unity, the multiplicative identity. So dear friends, this is a problem not only connected to your RMO, AMTI and various competitive examinations in the school level. It is also very important for your regular state board syllabus right from the 8th, 9th, 10th classes, and also it is very applicable for the competitive level examinations, government job notifications, various examinations. So please viewers, after watching my video, please share, like, subscribe and comment on the video. Thank you.